How to cancel your subscription for Google Play services. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. If it's your very first time, my name is Martha Kemirembe. You're watching Atutaka Solutions. Well, you want to go to your Google Play store and then you want to search for the app that you subscribed for. Okay, at this point, I'm going to be canceling my subscription for a certain app. I've forgotten. It was which app? It was some PDF something. We shall find out. My apps and games. You want to check which email if you are, signed in with other different emails. So you want to see which one did you subscribe with. Okay, this time I used this one. This is my one email that I mostly use, personal. Okay, so you want to go to payments and subscriptions. Okay, up there is my apps and games and So you want to go to payments and subscriptions. Then you look for these payment methods. Okay, if at all you want to change payment methods, and yeah, Google Play balance. That is if you want to use Google Play payment method. So there's MasterCard, there's Visa, there's okay, whatever payment method you've attached. So you can always edit back and forth. So add payment method to your Google account. If you haven't added, you can add a credit or debit card so you're able to pay for services on the go. Okay, so there's subscriptions, budget and history. Then this budget and history, they'll show I think it was this Acrobat. Acrobat Premium something. I was trying to download something and they were telling me you need to go to premium. So I said, try. Kugeze testing 1 2 3. Google may share subscription data that doesn't personally identify you with developers to help them offer subscriptions. Adobe Acrobat Reader, Edit PDF, Acrobat Premium. This was a yearly premium subscription I had. The next payment, Arab Emirate 269.99 on 20th October 2023. So I just clicked on try to see if the thing would work out. You know me with try and error. Me, trying is my tribe. Okay, so then there's upcoming charges. So it meant that starting 20th October 2023, now next payment method, the next payment would be after 7 days, because this one had given me 7 days trial. But if it's not what you want to do and you want to cancel, so you're frustrated, after 7 days they're going to chop your 200 and almost 300 Arab Emirate dirhams. Yeah, you're like, oh my god, what should I do? What's making you cancel? Cost related reasons, decline to answer, or other. I found a better app. Technical issues, I don't use this service enough. So you can decline to answer or put other, or I found a better app. Whatever reason you put, they will not fail to cancel your subscription. Okay, again, they're telling you that your subscription will be cancelled at the end of your billing period on 20th October 2023, and you won't be charged anymore. After this date, you will no longer have access to their benefits from the that app. Okay, subscriptions will be cancelled. So you want to, are you sure for real, like for real? If you're sure for sure, then you cancel, and it is instant. It will not like to take 44 hours or 24 hours. No. So Adobe Acrobat Reader, you can always try to resubscribe, opt to resubscribe. These words English. You can decide to resubscribe if you want to subscribe again, and then you can always play around. Not playing around, actually. Why do I use that word? It's not playing around. You don't want to play with these payment methods. These are real things. Like when you accept, they will chop your money from your account. So until next time, bye. See you in the next one.